You can download the plugin for floor generator from this website called cgsource.com, and you can just log in and sign up, and you can get a free version to download. And after downloading, you can open this folder and you will notice the flow generator plugin is available for all the versions of 3ds Max, and you will see here the installation directory of how to install the plugin into your 3ds Max. So you can copy the version which you want to the installation folder of 3ds Max. So since I have already installed this plugin into 3ds Max 2023, so here in this plugin folder you will notice my plugin for flow generator is already installed. Okay, so now we will open 3ds Max and draw a simple plane, and after drawing the plane we'll make sure that there's no segments in the plane, and then we'll apply the modifier flow generator. And first is the maximum length, so that is the length of the tile, and the maximum width, that will be the width of the tile. So I can just give the size 50 by 30 size of my tile, and the grout length is the space between the tiles, so I can increase or decrease the space of the grout length. Then minimum offset here is 20%. So notice when I give 0%, the grout line is aligning the same, whereas if I give 50%, you can notice the grout length coming to the offset of 50% of the next tile. Then extrude is to adjust the height of the tile. So if I want to increase the thickness of the tile, I can increase the extrude height, and I can even give the bevel effect by increasing or decreasing the bevel. I can even decrease it a little bit, and even I can switch off if I don't want to give the bevel effect. Now I'll just apply a material to this plane so that we can notice the changes more clearly. So I'm just giving a marble tile material. And also I'm going to apply the UVW map to scale our tile texture. Coming back to flow generator, and I'm going to increase the grout length a little bit so that you can clearly see the spacing in between. Also switch on the bevel effect and reduce the bevel, as well as the extrude height. I'll reduce it, so you can notice how a simple floor tile has been created here with some space in between. Now I'll come back to flow generator, and coming back to the grout length, and I'm increasing the grout length more over here so I can show the rest of the thing. So now I'm going to show what is maximum rotation. You can see here I'm increasing maximum rotation, how each tile is randomly getting rotated a little bit. So you can even see here maximum offset, so you can see how my tiles are getting randomly giving the offset along the x-axis as well as the y, and you can see a maximum tilt is to give that more realistic effect of little some of the tiles being raised or some being down. You can increase the maximum tilt, and then you can see what is the maximum overlap. So when I increase here, you see how the tiles are like overlapping in between a little bit with each other. And I can increase the maximum offset too, and also maximum overlap. Now I'm just resetting all the values to 0, and I'm going back to grout length and decreasing the grout length, the spacing in between. And now we're going to see what is scale percentage. So overall, when I want to scale my tile, I can increase scale percentage, and I can even change the offset x, so you can see how the tile is getting shifted towards the x-axis, and offset y, you can see how the tiles will be shifted towards the y-axis. So those are the properties of this flow generator. And this way we can quickly and easily create floor tiles and finishes to give us a realistic effect.